You're probably using VS Code wrong when it comes to customizing your AI workflows and don't even know it. In this video, we're going to talk about what customization actually means in the context of agentic development and showcase a new UI in VS Code that simplifies that whole process. Let's go ahead and take a look. So let's talk about what customization is and why it matters. Now, here we are on the VS Code docs website, and there's a good amount of information regarding customizing AI in VS Code. In short, customization in VS Code Copilot chat lets you tailor how the AI assistant behaves, responds, and operates within your workflow by defining things like custom agents, which focuses on crafting specialized roles, agent skills, which is more about domain specific capabilities and workflows, custom instructions, which is all about persistent rules and code conventions, prompt files, which are essentially reusable prompt templates, and hooks, which is all about automated actions triggered by events. And together, all these and some more allow you to shape Copilot in a context aware assistant that follows your team's standards, enforces project specific patterns, and automates repetitive workflow, all without even writing an extension. But why does customization even matter? It boils down to if you don't customize in VS Code, you're essentially going to be repeating yourself constantly. For every request, you may need to restate context, restate expectations, restate how you want things done. And this ultimately leads to inconsistent results, more effort, more trial and error. But customization changes that. It lets you define behavior once, reuse it everywhere, and get consistent outputs. And ultimately, instead of just prompting better, you're building a system that works for you. So, where must we start? Well, there's a new UI that we can use for customization in VS Code, and you could access it by going to the command palette and typing in chat customizations to open it right here. And this is it. An even quicker approach if you have chat already open, just by clicking this gear icon right here. And with this UI, VS Code gives you one single place to manage all important customization features. From here, you can create and manage agents. By clicking here, you could see some of the built-in agents and a custom one that was created right here. Selecting that shows you how it was created. From here, you can modify it. And the same thing applies to reviewing skills, custom instructions, prompt files, hooks, etc. So instead of having to find these across their folders, VS Code brings them together easily to discover and manage them here. In addition to creating them, you could just use a generate option. This is for hooks, but the same applies for prompts and the others. When generating these custom features, you can do them directly from chat just by using the slash command and type in create. And right from here, you could create instructions, prompts, skills, agents, and hooks. To learn more about creating and testing each of these, you could check out this playlist here. But the purpose for this video was just to give you an understanding of the relevance of customization and to showcase this agent customizations UI. So I hope this video gave you a clearer picture of what customization really looks like. Let me know in the comments, how do you use customization? If this topic caught your interest, custom instructions are worth looking into. Thanks for joining, and I will see you in the next one.